Titomic is incredibly proud of the fact that we're an Australian company with an Australian technology and exporting to the world. And together with companies like BAE Systems, we're able to really find the right applications and the right end uses for our parts and our technology to make sure that we can be successful. Titomic kinetic fusion is an additive manufacturing process where we take powdered metal particles and using heated nitrogen we accelerate it to supersonic speeds, and when it hits the surface the metal particles deform into a little top hat shape and it allows us to build a solid state metal. Our technology is world leading in the sense that we can combine metals together in a way that's not feasible with any other technology. We met BAE Systems 2 years ago at a defense exhibition in the USA, and in a conversation with them we realized that what we could add to the defense industry was actually something that was of value to BAE Systems as well. And the Global Access programs were very good at engaging a group of engineers to look at our technology so we could identify projects and processes that made sense for Titomic and for BAE. Without a doubt, the biggest benefit of working with BAE Systems has been access to the right people, the right projects, and being able to understand where our technology really can add value. The last few years working in the defense industry has also highlighted for us that there are large growth opportunities in aerospace and space and the marine industry, and we'll be focusing on those quite heavily in the next few years. We also intend to be putting machines in research facilities around the world so that companies like BAE Systems can access the technology and the research capability in their local markets. Titomic's ambition is to be the leading additive manufacturing solutions provider in the world. We are really looking forward to the next few years. The growth prospects for Titomic are incredible, and the support from BAE Systems is enabling that growth.